Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today we're gonna check out a new drone from a new company. This is the Oxbot Lumo18, a little 1.8 inch 2S wide angle O4 Lite Tinywhoop. And since basically all the drones I have reviewed with the O4 Lite are cursed, I have very high hopes for this drone. I hope it works great. Let's see. In the box you get a very nice Phillips screwdriver and the tools to service the drone, spare camera parts, a baby battery strap if you wanna cut the battery mounts here. You can use these to accommodate bigger batteries, extra screws and the USB-C adapter, sticker decals to personalize your drone, and the manuals. And boom, the drone weighs 65 grams with this wide angle adapter. You can also get it without camera or without the wide angle adapter, even if I believe this is the best version to get because this is a game changer. The whole frame is made of injection molded plastic, even the arms, but they are still super stiff. These two black horns at the front protect the camera and are 3D printed. You have a super cool multicolor RGB strip running around it, a XT30 battery connector, and the O4 Lite is soft mounted together with the VTX. You can see the soft mounts here and here. It has an F4 flight controller with 12 amps ESCs. It goes up to 3S, but I believe the motors are maximum 2S. It has integrated Express LRS, and you can tune it using the SpeedyB app via Bluetooth on your phone. And finally, it's time to fly. I just started it up and it has a super cool LED animation at startup. Also, when you arm, when it beeps, and with a press of a button, you can change the pattern on the LEDs, and it's super cool. Probably one of the coolest LED strips I have seen so far. I'm gonna fly with these 550 mAh 2S HV batteries because they are the ones that fit best the tray under here. You can cut it, use the strap, and use much bigger batteries if you want. Boom. And today is spring finally. We have plenty of chicken. This is one of those very nice chicken chasing drones because it's small. It makes more noise than I expected. There is more wind than I expected. This chicken just shot himself very badly. Look at him. Poor chicken. Also because he's white and you can see all of... Let's change subject maybe. Let's give him some privacy. Okay, we are in acro mode. And it's quite breezy today. But still it's flying better than I was expecting. Very nice, smooth drone. You can hear the noise. A little bit of vibration, but it's not too bad. I am very curious to see if it stabilizes in post with gyro flow, because I'm recording gyro data, hopefully, and it's 4x3, what I'm seeing with stabilization off. You have to use their own profile when you stabilize. You have to tell Gyroflow you're using the wide angle lens mode. And you see all of these stripes in my backyard. That's because we have this robot going around cutting all of the grass. And it's doing a pretty good job. Let's see if we can climb that little hill. It's a little bit of a pain point here, but no problem. Yeah, I don't want to go in the front of it, even if it should avoid me. Maybe I'm just confusing it. Today we don't only have chicken chase, but also lawnmower chase. Look at all of these flowers getting erased. And it's doing the whole property. I can see a little bit of shake. You see all of these lines, that's all the robot doing them. Looks like a little football field. But you know what, if you don't push the throttle to the limit, it's pretty smooth. Maybe I have to lower the rates a little bit. But it's not that bad. Also the battery life has been not bad. 3 minutes of flying. Okay, so we still have a little bit to go 3.5 volts, probably we're gonna do around 4 minutes, pushing against the wind. You can see the trees moving. Of course, this is a light drone, but you can still have fun in a park. I forgot to freestyle. I'm gonna do it with the other battery. This first one was a little bit of warm-up. But for being a little Tinywhoop, it could be the best I have tried with the O4 Lite. This kind of small drones, they either have a crazy amount of shake or they have jello in the camera. This thing flies nice. If it doesn't have jello, it's fully promoted, the best I have tried so far. Okay, let's land. 4 minutes of flying. And this time, let's fly it a little bit harder. Yeah, the wind is quite strong. 20 kilometers per hour, maybe even 30. So it's not the perfect condition to fly this drone, but at least we have clear skies, sunny day. You can see there is not a cloud in sight, only on that side, but here, nothing. And it's a pleasure to fly with this wider angle O4 Lite. It feels like the O4 Pro during the day. Of course, during the night you have a lot less light entering. I should avoid breaking the propellers because they only give you one pair. You can see the drone just moves when I do tricks because I'm constantly facing the wind. But for being such a tiny, lightweight drone, it flies remarkably good. So Oxbot, very good job on your first drone, but better than most other brands, probably, if not the best at this point. I mean, the best little O4 Lite Tinywhoop. It's a little heavy for my taste, but it doesn't seem to have jello. If it flies nice, I still have to stabilize it in post and check, but from this preliminary check at least, it feels very enjoyable. I mean, it's soft mounted, it shouldn't have issues stabilizing. And as soon as I go high, the wind picks up really strong. Where the hell is the lawnmower? Oh. Yeah, the rates are a little bit on the aggressive side. I'm not used to it. Like I'm moving my finger really 1 millimeter per side. I need to add a little bit of expo. Where the hell is the lawnmower? I have gone from where the hell are the chicken to where the hell is the lawnmower. I mean, the chicken go hiding. This thing, I don't know where it is. Ah, I can hear it. I can hear it. It's going charging. He was coming to me actually. It stopped cutting and probably the battery is empty. It takes a couple of charges to finish that big lawn up there. But it's remarkable, you can do it. If you're interested, I made a review about it. But now that it's spring, I am fully testing it because I did it in November and grass wasn't really growing that much. Now it's being put to its pace, you can see how dirty it is. And it's doing a pretty nice job. To come home, it has to pass here where the chicken go, inside this very little tunnel, and it does no problem. Man, where the hell are the chicken when you need them? This is the perfect setup to chase them, and they are hiding again. They just go under the bushes and that's it. Battery is kind of low. Look, there it is. How the hell can I chase them? All of them under there. Yeah, battery is done. I have to land. Let's do this. This was a super crappy move. Don't do it. I just watched the gyro flow footage and it's perfect. Super smooth, it doesn't have jello, it doesn't have crazy gyro issues. So very good job. It flies nice, it stabilizes perfect, and it looks super cool also because of this crazy LED strip all around it. It seems like they took all of the best bits from all of the other drones and combined them into one. And probably at this point is one of the best, if not the best, small drone with the DJI O4 Lite I have tested, and I can totally recommend. Whoever gets it will have a blast with it. Either you fly indoors, you fly outdoors, you wanna show off the LEDs, this drone you will have a lot of fun with. And the problem with the others is that they either fly good or they stabilize good. I didn't really find a drone that could do both, and this really is one of the best. Maybe it's a little bit heavier than I would like, probably 50 grams, I would like it better, but still it flies perfect. And maybe they could have added a couple more propellers into the box. You can still buy them for $2 extra, but it will be a nice add into the box. It's just minor nitpicks for a drone that totally works great. And that's all for today. As always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this drone. Let me know if you already heard about this company. If you want to buy something, check out the links in the description below, because clicking on them you help my channel a lot, and many times you also find discounts. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!